Are you tired of taking medication to control your high blood pressure? What if I told you that there are foods that can actually help you naturally lower your blood sugar? That's right, in this video, I'll be sharing with you the best foods for hypertension. Hello, colorful people. Welcome back to Colors of Kira. Let's talk a little about hypertension. High blood pressure affects millions of people worldwide and can lead to serious health problems such as heart disease, stroke, and kidney failure. While medication is often prescribed to control high blood pressure, there are foods that can help lower it naturally. Green leafy vegetables such as kale and spinach are high in potassium, which helps the kidneys get rid of excess sodium. This in turn helps to lower blood pressure. Berries such as strawberry, blueberry, and raspberries are high in antioxidants. This helps to reduce inflammation and improve blood vessel function. Oatmeal is a great source of fiber which has been shown to lower blood pressure. It also contains a type of fiber called beta-glucan, which has been linked to lower cholesterol levels. Garlic has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, and it has been shown to help lower blood pressure by increasing the production of nitric acid. This helps to relax blood vessels. Dark chocolate contains flavonols, which have been shown to improve blood vessel function and lower blood pressure. Fatty fish, such as salmon and mackerel, are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to help lower blood pressure. Potatoes are a great source of potassium, and we know that potassium helps to lower blood pressure. Beets are high in nitrates, which are converted to nitric acid in the body. Nitric acid helps to relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, which can help to lower your blood pressure level. Low-fat dairy products such as milk and yogurt are a great source of calcium, which has been shown to lower blood pressure. Pomegranates are high in antioxidants and have been shown to help reduce inflammation and improve blood vessel function. By incorporating these foods in your daily diet, you can help lower your blood pressure naturally and improve your overall health. Remember to always speak with your doctor before making any changes to your diet or any medication regimen. Until next time, remember to live good, live healthy, and live colorful.